Hi everyone, I'm back with another science experiment, and today we're going to look at how to not pop balloons again, but instead of using pins this time we're going to use fire. So I have a candle here, so if you do try this at home, obviously be super careful because candles aren't really something to be played with, are they? So you just need a candle and some water. So I've got some goggles here, because I'm going to show you what happens normally with balloons and candles, and the balloon will pop. So I'm going to put my goggles on because safety first. So just have a think at home, what's going to happen if I put this candle underneath the balloon? This is something called proving what we already know. So I think we all know the balloon's going to pop, isn't it, as it goes over the candle. Right, well, let's just do this. So if I slowly lower it down. Oh, yeah. So the balloon popped and also put the candle out because of the sudden release of air. So I'll just, I'll light that candle up again. Right. I've never actually tried this experiment, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. I'm suddenly very, very scared. We need to pour a bit of water into this balloon. Which, now I come to look at it, is going to be easier said than done. So I think I might pause there and I'll come back when I've got the water in the balloon. Right, so we've got some water in the balloon. I don't know if you can really see that very well, but there is some water in there. Not very much, just a little bit on the bottom. Right, well, I suppose let's just see what happens, shall we? So I need to pop this on so that the candle is right where the water is. Yeah, okay. I don't think this is going to work, is it? Okay, let's just go for it. Okay, so I don't know if you saw that. Maybe watch it in slow motion. It might be more impressive. But as you can see, look, you can see where the candle touched the balloon and it didn't burst. And I'm tempted to see how long I can keep it on the flame for. What was that, about a second? Oh dear. Oh, it's going to make such a mess and a loud noise if it goes everywhere, isn't it? So pop it back on just for a little bit. Oh, let's just see. Okay, right. Well, there you go. I mean, I'm going to call that a success. I think that worked. Got a bit sweaty doing it. But yeah, there you go. That's how you can put a flame on a balloon and not have the balloon pop. Just a bit of water in there. Okay, so the science, when I calm down a bit, it's because it was cold water, so the heat was going through the skin of the balloon into the cold water, and then as the water sort of down at the bottom of the balloon heated up, that water rose to the top and some cool water then replaced it at the bottom. And that kept happening, so there was always cold water at the bottom. So the actual skin of the balloon never really got hot enough to burst, I guess. It's conduction, which of course is related to convection, of heat moving from one part of an object to another. So there you go. Yeah, I think that's the end of that. So it's a bit of a scorcher outside, so make sure to put some sun tan on and keep drinking lots of water. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. So I've just come outside because I'm really curious to see exactly how long it can stay on there for. But the candle keeps blowing out, so let's see, shall we? Say a few seconds, a couple of seconds. Okay, I think I need a cup of tea.